What's up everybody, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault. And usually I do videos about computer stuff, and I'm going to make an extremely rare exception today and do a video about a phone case that I've had on my phone for 2 years. And this is the Vena iPhone 7 Plus 8 Plus phone case. Basically what it is it's a wallet that's in your case that allows you to put your credit cards and stuff in there. And as you can see, I have two of these. This is the one that I've had for 2 years, and this is the new one I got because this one finally has had it. What I'm going to do for this one though is I'm actually going to kind of inspect it a little bit more, and of course, get a little bit more closer look on some of the biggest issues that have happened with this, and kind of give you guys what the damage is after a whole 2 years of usage. So this is what it looks like brand new. This is actually a brand new one I got, and apparently has a lifetime warranty, so I might follow up on that. But as you can see, right out of the box, everything looks really clean, nice, no issues. Honestly, it looks very nice and pretty. Right out of the box, all clean. But this is the one that I've had. So let's go over a couple of the things that are wrong with this after 2 years. So if I were to give you an accurate representation, about a year and a half, maybe a year, this little bit of plastic that goes around here, which is not metal, but plastic that goes around here, started cracking. And not to the point, we've got cracks here. Oh, well, there went that. That literally just came all off. I can literally just peel this off. Yeah, I'm just able to peel this right off. Like, I'm not even putting any force on it. It just comes right off. So pretty much you've got that. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. That's literally the last. I can't believe it was that close. Yeah, so it's got lots of dust in here. I actually ended up super gluing this back on here because this was falling apart, so that ended up getting super glued. So really this whole back has come apart. It's really had it. The rubber itself has actually stayed pretty solid. The plastic has started chipping away. The paint has been removed, and the glue itself is starting to come undone. Therefore, you can see the stuff's peeling off. I had super glue, so that's why that's staying on. So the rubber did pretty well. The leather, rubber, plastic piece, this right here did actually surprisingly well. We've got some fraying on the edges here. It's actually starting to peel too. And then of course on the inside, the underneath here there are metal bars, which is completely rusted. And is actually like pieces you can yeah, there it goes. So the metal underneath here is all fallen to pieces, and is literally, you can just pick it up and take it out and it's rusted. So that's literally what happens after you use this case for a year. Now, why did I go out and buy another one? Well, because when you put your phone in it, it does a nice job. I got no issues with it. I like the fact that it keeps the case, or it keeps the phone safe. One of the biggest issues though is if you have more than like 5 cards, your phone will of course bend out a little bit. I actually had some issues where the screen itself, even when you put in the recommended amount of cards, if you have a screen protector like I do on my phone, for example, you basically just throw the screen protector on there, and you put it in there, and when you do, of course, the screen protector sticks out a little bit more than where the case protects from fall, so you end up cracking the screen protector or even the screen. For my case though, I haven't cracked the screen. A couple other things though is, if you notice, this rubber is a lot more bendable and movable than this stuff right here. And this, of course, this is a newer, much newer case design. But honestly, to point out a couple of the things that I really do like about this is the fact that it is relatively, this one surprisingly is heavier than this one, which is kind of odd, especially because it looks like it's really the same design. But this one's surprisingly slightly heavier. But honestly, if I were to say that, this is definitely a case I'd recommend, and this is why I wanted to make a video about it, but I also wanted to make a review about it because not anybody out there can offer you something, a review after a whole year, or 2 years actually, of using this case every day. It works pretty nice. Of course, the only flaws is, you have to take out all your credit cards before you can get to one, or your ID, all that stuff that you have on you. But for me, the biggest thing that I would really like to see instead is maybe having some, instead of having this one little fold-in case here, maybe have like a pocket here and a pocket, and then kind of something like this clip-in style here, so that way you could have cards on both sides, so that way it'd be a little bit easier to get to the ones that really you use on a daily basis. But overall, This thing is off to the trash because it is completely like destroyed. I'm not even gonna lie to you there. Like, it's really, it's on its last leg, and nothing can last, especially a phone case that's, you know, used on a wide range of conditions. I'm not saying this is bad quality. It lasted 2 years. My previous phone cases would last maybe about I don't know, 6 months to a year. So this did really good. But this right here is what I'm, you know, replacing it with. I'm gonna put all my cards back in there. But thank you for watching this video. I like these kind of cases because they do a good job, especially this company. They have a lot of different cases for all different kinds of phones. No, this is not a sponsored video. No, I'm not getting any of the stuff free. This is my personal money, and this is a video that I feel this is a product that, you know, when I walk around with this, people want to know what this is. They're like, hey, it's a cool idea. It's a cool case. What is it? And it's good because I feel like, you know, you guys should have the ability to know what I use and what I like to use. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And check out the channel for other cool tech-related news, reviews, builds, etc. And if you're not into computers, don't worry. Not expecting everybody to watch this video today. This is just a pretty solid case that I like. So my channel is mostly computers, so, you know, subscribe for that. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.